Let's take a trip on the side of the house.
I've never seen a side of the house before.
Well, so here's the real septic system that works just fine. In fact, maybe the best thing that's working about the house, except these flowers. These flowers are working. And yeah, this is the back side of the house. So Thomas wants to shave back this hill, and then eventually we'll have a greenhouse up here. Got some tall trees around it. That one's gonna come down for sure. Anyway, just right here. Oh look, tire tracks from the big orange tool. This right here is a road that leads along the old actually water ditch that runs through the property. So, oh, this is some puffy dirt. Yeah, this is the leach field down here, and actually, that's working just fine. The own propane tank, but I don't want gas. Anyway, this is off to the left side of the house. There's some beautiful trees on this property. I'm going to show you. I don't know where that pipe came from, or even what that is. Anyway, this oak here is pretty nice, and so is that Big Daddy.
That's a pretty tree.
Yeah. Anyway, all these are going to be either limbed up to 100 feet or so, or taken out for a fire. This is this side of the house. And more of these lovely flowers that grow wild. Yeah, this is before pictures, man. It's going to be way different when we get there.